Hello, it's great to be with you, and no problems at all on the weather front as we get ready for this match. My name is Derek Ray, and my commentary partner, as usual, is Stuart Robson. And no question, this ought to be a game that gets pulses racing. It's Haiti, and they take on Jamaica.
Thanks, Derek. Well, often we talk about the tactics, the individual players that are missing, but so often it's the mentality of the players that is key to winning any football game. Which of these teams has the right attitude today is the big question.
And a look at the Haiti starting 11.
Well, in this shape, if their wide players stay high up the pitch and get enough of the ball, it's a very attacking lineup. But if they drop too deep, they will then leave the centre-forward isolated, and it could be difficult for them.
And here's how Jamaica will line up.
Well, the 4-4-2 system relies on good combinations all over the pitch. The front two, the central midfield pairing, the fullback and winger, and of course the centre-backs. If you can get these combinations right, you'll have a good team.
And now they get the ball rolling. And a textbook interception. And he's through here. Goalkeeping.
Well, it's a top-class save from a top-class goalkeeper. That's absolutely brilliant.
Let's see about the delivery. Pumped clear. Putting his body on the line. Oh, surely! Oh, terrific save from the keeper.
Well, that's just a wonderful save. How did he stop that?
And there's the delivery. Well cleared away. And it's a quality pass. Not away completely. Well, couldn't really direct it where he wanted. Antonio. Gray now. Oh, wonderful bit of skill. Gray. Must score! A truly magnificent start. An early goal in the game. Just what they were hoping to produce.
Well, here we can see it again. Look at the way he glides past the defender to create space for himself. And his movement's so clever. Once he gets onto it, there's only one thought in his head. Smash it as hard as possible. What a good goal.
1-0 then. Good use of advantage by the referee. Nice looking pass. Antonio. Great opportunity. In it goes! 2 goals in rapid fire fashion and looking very comfortable here.
Well, I have to say, he's done really well here. He's in the right place and then a decent finish. That's a good goal.
Two 2-0 now and back underway. Antonio. Gray. Well read to put an end to that attack. Sarkus. Is it going to end up being productive for them? Well, not a great cross, making the goalkeeper's job rather easy. Giving the ball away. Oh, commanding goalkeeping. Played over. And the keeper taking care of the situation.
Well, as you can see, the visitors have had most of the ball and as a result have dominated the game. Some of their passing movements have been a joy to watch, and I don't think anything's going to change that.
Yes, it's going to plan, and they might be able to carve out another chance. And an astute piece of defending. Bodies forward, and the break looks on. Do they have the guile to open up the defence? It's a perfect challenge. Really sitting deep now. That could be problematic. It's looking promising. And it's gone out of play. Goal kick coming up. Well, that takes the wind out of their sails. Great defending. Etienne. Opportunity here. Textbook closing down. And now they're on the attack. Not an especially strong challenge. Bobby Reid. Well, he's allowed it to go over the touchline, so a throw-in. Shamar Nicholson. Can he find the net? Able to get a body in the way. Derek Etienne. Well, totalling up all the stoppages, we'll have 2 additional minutes. A chance then for the respective managers to address their charges. It is half-time here. Well, he's been a long way from his best up front, Stuart.
He just hasn't been able to affect the game so far. He hasn't had too much of the ball, but even when he has, he's not looked threatening.
So the 2 teams have switched around and the second half is underway. Well, he's won the ball. Shamar Nicholson. Bailey. Excellent defending. And it's a quality pass. Has the strength to hang on to it. Who can he pick out? Bailey. Real chance. Oh, wonderful goalkeeping.
Well, you have to say, from that sort of distance, that's a wonderful save.
Well, they have elected to go to the bench at this stage of the game. Now, how about the short corner? Reed. And a goal! There he is at the double. They just can't subdue him.
Well, here you can see it again. Good run, great strength, and a composed finish under pressure. That's a top-class goal.
This is looking rather comfortable for them. 3-0. Nicholson. Antonio. Now with Bailey. And Bailey. He's come off the keeper. And in the end, no damage done.
Well, the keeper deserves a lot of credit. That was a fine save, wasn't it?
Antonio. Bobby Reed. Now, options are plenty. Bailey. Happy to take on the shot. Keeper getting the touch. Well, he stumped it out of there without much fuss. Oh, that's a fine save. Well, sensible refereeing, you might say. Now he goes back and hands out the yellow card, Stuart.
Yeah, that's very good. He let the play continue and then came back for the earlier challenge.
And they will make the change now. Over it comes. And cleared off the line. Well, that was quality. Last-ditch defending. Well, very effective play, and they might be onto something. A glorious chance. A goal! And I'll tell you what, on this sort of form, very few would lay a glove on them.
Well, let's see this again. The vision to play this through ball is superb, and his movement's so clever. Once he gets onto it, there's only one thought in his head: smash it as hard as possible. What a good goal.
And this is turning into something of a rout. 4-0. This looks promising. A goal here! Giving his team precisely what they were looking for. Now he deserves to celebrate it.
Well, as you can see, he beats the defenders so easily with a change of pace, and then it's a decent finish. That's a very good goal, you have to say.
Well, not too much defending going on in the grand scheme of things. 4-1. Gray. Antonio. Possession lost. And a throw-in forthcoming. Well, they've decided to make a change. Just 15 minutes remaining. And space here on the flank. Well, they took care of the situation defensively. Reed. Oh, did so well to deny him. Playing it in. Well, not the best clearance. Opportunity. Oh, wonderful goalkeeping.
Well, you have to say, from that sort of distance, that's a wonderful save.
And taken short. Gray. Just the challenge that was required. In behind for him to chase. They're getting right on top of their opponents and winning it back. And so into the final 5 minutes. Couldn't keep it. Plenty of support here. Oh, that's a pass of high quality. Well, not allowed to continue. He had drifted into the offside position.
Well, if he takes a step back to the ball and then spins in behind, he'll be onside. But he does know where the space is.
Bobby Reed. Well, when you can keep the ball like this, it's got to be really annoying for the opposition. Well, 3 minutes of stoppage time, that's what the officials have said. And he takes on the shot, able to get a body in the way. And there goes the final whistle. It's a disappointing outcome as far as Haiti are concerned. They've lost this one, Stuart. Antonio. In it goes! 2 goals in rapid-fire fashion and looking very comfortable here. Oh, commanding goalkeeping. Real chance. Now how about the short corner? Reed. And a goal! There he is at the double. They just can't subdue him. Oh, very effective play, and they might be onto something. A goal! And I'll tell you what, on this sort of form, very few would lay a glove on them. This looks promising.